Under the industrial branch, where a person suffers an accident arising out of and in the course of their employment, the board provide free medical care uh, to that person. What the law require is that an employer who employs more than 10 persons should maintain an accident report book. When an accident, in fact, should happen, they should record it. There is a Form B60 that should be completed in triplicate. A copy is given to the injured person to take to whichever institution that person is seeking medical care. A copy should be sent to the National Insurance Occupational Health and Safety Department. And then there is a Form B80 that the employer would complete, which will provide detailed account of how the accident, in fact, had happened. That is sent on to NIB. The employed person, should there be a need for them to be away from work, the medical practitioner or the institution that is providing the service would complete a Med 1 form indicating the period of time that that person is to be away from work. Similarly, the employed person is asked to complete the interior of the form, which will provide information on how the accident had occurred, so that the board would be in a position to compare both reports to satisfy themselves that the person did in fact suffer an industrial accident. And unlike private insurance, the board pays 100% of one's medical expense, even to the extent where if medical care is not available locally, the board will arrange for that person to be transferred wherever the care is available. And should that person require an escort, the board will pay the cost of travel, subsistence, hotel accommodation, and transportation for that person. But medical care is only provided in the case where a person suffers an accident arising out of and in the course of their employment. They pay no medical expense as it relates to sickness under the general benefits branch.